welcome back to my channel. So today is Halloween, and it's like actually Halloween day, not Halloween. It's Tuesday. I did all my Halloween looks on TikTok. So for night one, I was Frozone. And then that one was really fun to do because it was just glittery. It was like, I don't know, girl version of Frozone, of course. And it was super fun. I had such a great night that night with my friends. I took all my photos on like the G7X. It's literally the best photo taking camera ever. And then night two, or I guess day two, because it was like a whole day thing. And that was a snow queen or an ice princess. Honestly, whatever people said to me, I was just like, yes, that's what I am. So I got like Snowflake, the Narnia like ice queen, but this one was probably my favorite. I just thought it was so fun and so cute. But today we are going to my best friend's boyfriend's house to do like the trick-or-treating and everything. My boyfriend was in LA for Halloween and he got back yesterday, and so today we get to spend Halloween together. And he was Cowboy Ken, and this morning we were like trying to be like figuring out what we wanted to wear if we were gonna dress up. And he was like, the only costume I have is Cowboy Ken. And you guys know me, you know I can throw together an outfit in like 2 seconds. Dressing up is like my favorite thing ever. And I was like, actually I feel like I have a lot of pink in my closet, and I feel like I could makeshift cowgirl Barbie. That's what we're gonna do. So I put together the little outfit out there, and I actually think like it's definitely a little bit of a twist. It's not identical, but it's pretty darn good, I think, and like people will get it, especially if he's dressed up like how he is. So that's what we're gonna do today. And I wanted to get ready with you guys because I did everything else on TikTok for the weekend, so go check it out over there. And I wanted to have actually Halloween with you guys. I'm gonna curl my hair and then I'm gonna do my makeup. I just curl my hair with like this. Why did I not think that that was plugged in? Oh my god. Ow. Oh my god, I full-blown grabbed that thing and I forgot that I already had it plugged in and heating up. Oh my god, you guys, I'm not gonna lie to you, I just burnt the fuck out of my hand. It hurts so bad. Maybe I should run it like under cold water. Oh. Oh my god, you guys, that was so dumb of me to do. Okay, well, anyway, I got my curler on Amazon. So yeah, I'm gonna curl my hair, hopefully not get burnt anywhere else, and then I'm gonna sit down with you guys and do my makeup with you guys. And I just finished doing my hair and now I'm about to do the makeup. I think I'm gonna do the makeup like somewhat cash because like I don't think I'm gonna put on false lashes. I'm still gonna do cute makeup. You guys know me, it's not like I'm not gonna do cute makeup, but I don't wanna do like crazy because my fingers are starting to blister and they hurt. And Amaris is on her way to come pick me up. My girl Manky, you guys remember her, she's the best. I already like prepped my face using my skincare. You guys, I'm telling you, this e.l.f. brow freeze is literally the best. And you know when you like randomly stop using something and then you're like, wait, I want to try that again, and then you realize how good it is? That's exactly how that went. Gonna go in with the Merit Beauty and Honey bronzer. I'm doing like the littlest amount of foundation possible because my skin is just breaking out so bad right now because I've just been so stressed recently. And like this is one of the points where like you're looking around and you're like, can I get 1 second to breathe, please? Like just 1 second, can something not go wrong? So I've just been like super stressed lately. Why do I kind of feel like I just want to keep the makeup very cash today? Like I don't really feel like going, like my fingers hurt too much. I'm like, okay, never mind, I'm not doing a full face. They're like, oh my gosh, this one's already starting to blister. I ordered a pack of these like puffs on Amazon. Anytime I can't find my normal one, I just grab a new one. It's honestly perfect. Just gonna set my makeup a little bit. Like, I don't feel like doing a whole face, but I don't want it to be coming off like super easy. I always make sure to get extra powder like on my lashes, because I find if you put a little bit of like setting powder on your lashes, it makes your lashes, like the mascara, stick to your lashes better. I don't know, that's just what I found. I'm gonna put on a little bit of the Rare Beauty highlight. Perfect. I'm gonna add a little bit more blush because we're Barbie. I was gonna put on this like pink stain lip that was gonna be like the perfect pink, but forgot to do it, so I guess I missed out on that opportunity for us. Makeup is done. I am gonna change and finish off my hair, and then I will come back with the full look done and ready. Okay, you guys are gonna have to tell me if you think that this outfit is Cowgirl Barbie enough, especially, but I think it will, people will be able to tell because my boyfriend has the Cowboy Ken outfit. So this is what I have. I mean, I could tie this too, but I kind of like it open. And then I have these like white boots like she's wearing, and I also have this hat. I was planning on letting Keynes wear the hat though, because I feel like it looks better with him. And then, here, wait, let me see if I can get you like a full, like the flare hot pink, the top, and then this is like a cowgirl thing that I've actually worn to like rodeos and stuff. That's the fit. Tell me if you think it's Cowgirl Barbie enough. But this is the fully ready part of the get ready with me.